Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is matrices. Okay. So we are going to discuss chapter number 9, that is matrices. So first we will go through the definition of matrices. The definition is the matrix is a rectangular arrangement. The matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Basically, matrix considered here, it is an arrangement of numerical value. Previously, we have seen different things with the numerical values. Now we will see how numbers are arranged in a rows and columns. Okay. So here 3, 1 has been written, 5, 3, 2, 1. These are arranged in rows and columns. These numbers will be called as in matrices. Okay. So here plural of matrix is matrices. Plural of matrix is a matrices. Okay. Each number here, each number, what you see inside the bracket here, 5 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there. These numbers will be called as element of the matrix. Okay. Remember, all this number inside the bracket will be called as elements of the matrices. In matrix, the horizontal line, okay, the horizontal line will be called as rows. See here, you can, one example is here. Here horizontal line, first horizontal line will be called as first row. Second horizontal line, it will be called as second row. Now coming to the vertical line. Okay, coming to the vertical line, first column will be called as first column, then second column, this is the third column. Okay, so here how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. And how many columns are there? 3 columns. So there becomes order of the matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 into 3 order. Okay, 2 by 3. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Similarly, here only one column is there, so it will be called as one order. Okay, so it will be called as column matrix only. Here 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Okay, this will be called as square matrix, or else it can be called as 2 into 2 order of the matrix. This order is 2 by 2. Okay, so we will be learning the order of the matrix, how it is discussed. Okay, hope you have understood. If any doubt is there, comment on my comment section. The next we will see elements of the matrix. So already we have seen the elements are considered, the inside numerical value will be considered as the elements of the matrices. Next we will be coming to the types of matrices. Okay, what are the types of the matrices? So first we will see next types of matrices. Okay, there are 7 types of matrices. First we will see, that is row matrix. Number 1 is row matrix. What is this row matrix? Okay, first part is row matrix. So row matrix is, you can see if the numbers are arranged in one row only. If numbers are there in one row only, here only one row is there, then it will be considered as row matrix. Then it will be considered as row matrix. Second thing, column matrix. column matrix. Okay, next we will see about column matrix. If there are elements in one column only, if there are only one column, then it will be considered as column matrix. Remember this, if there are only one column is there, then it will be considered as column matrix, and if there is only one row, okay, then it will be named as row matrix. Okay, these two things we seen. Third is square matrix. Third type is square matrix. So what is a square matrix? Consider an example 2, 3, 1, 5. Okay, here two rows are there. First row, second row, and there are two columns. Two rows, two columns, means 2 into 2. Its order is 2 into 2. 2 by 2. So it will be considered as a square matrix. Whenever number of rows and number of columns are equal, then it will be considered as square matrix. Remember, if number of rows and number of columns are equal, then it will be considered as square matrix. Okay. Fourth is rectangular matrix. Fourth one is rectangular matrix. So again we will understand this with the example. So consider one example. There are two rows and three columns. So generally remember, first it will be written rows and then column. 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Here is 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. Okay. So if number of rows is different with the number of columns, then it will be considered as rectangular matrix. Okay. If there is a difference, so its definition comes here. A matrix in which number of rows are not equal. If number of rows and number of columns are not equal, then it will be considered as rectangular matrix. If number of rows and number of columns are different, then it will be considered as rectangular matrix. Okay. Coming to the fifth point, null matrix or zero matrix. Fifth one is null matrix. What is null matrix? If all the elements of the matrix are 0. If all the elements of the matrix are 0, then it will be considered as null matrix. Remember, if all the elements of the matrix are 0, then it will be considered as null matrix, also known as zero matrix. Okay. Sixth point is diagonal matrix. Sixth point comes diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Okay. If there are, we will consider one matrix in which here you can see in the cross there is a numerical value, there is a number. Okay. If in the cross numerical values are there and rest all are 0, then it will be considered as what? Diagonal matrix. It can be any number. Okay. See here in the diagonal only. In the diagonal only numerical values are there and rest all are 0, then it will be considered as diagonal matrix. Okay. Once again I am repeating, if only in the diagonal cross it is numerical value rest all are 0, then it is considered as diagonal matrix. And seventh point comes here, unit matrix. Last point is unit matrix. Seventh point is unit matrix. So what is unit matrix? If in the diagonal all the value are 1, if in the diagonal, okay, just you can consider the diagonal matrix, if the values are 1, then it is considered as unit matrix, okay, or also known as identity matrix. Okay, unit matrix also considered as identity matrix. If in the diagonal the values are 1, then it is considered as unit matrix, also known as identity matrix. Okay, this was the short introduction about this chapter. Next video we will be coming to know about the transpose, and we will be solving some questions related to matrix. Okay, go through it, listen my video, and if any doubt is there, you can WhatsApp me in my number, and even you will comment in my comment section. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.